everyone and hello mga saswang! Gusto ko lang pala magpasalamat kay Ma'am Juliana Kate Unidad, kay Ma'am Isa Lim at sa Shine Moist Company. Dahil isa ako sa top 10 na napili nila na padalhan ng kanilang mga products. So this is the Blend Bleaching Powder. So this is the Lavender Henna Cellophane Color Treatment. So this is the Aqua Henna Cellophane Color Treatment. And this is Lilac Henna Cellophane Color Treatment. And this is Deep Sea Henna Cellophane Color Treatment. And this is the Hair Oxidant or Hair Developer. And this is Hair Color Stain Hair Remover. And last but not the least, this is the Henna Cellophane Color Chart. At ito po ang first batch na ipinadala sa atin ni Shine Moist. At sa pagkakaalam ko ay 4 na beses pa kami papadalahan nito ni Shine Moist. O diba? Saan ka pa?